Optimization is the application of finding maxima and minima to real-world problems. So a rectangular cake dish is made by cutting out squares from the corners of a 25 centimeter by 40 centimeter rectangle of tin plate and then folding the metal to make an open rectangular prism. What size squares must be cut out to produce a cake dish of maximum volume? So let's have a diagram of what we're doing here. So we're starting off with this tin plate. We'll say that's 40 centimeters in this direction and 25 centimeters in this direction. And then we cut out some squares from the corner, and then we're going to fold up so that we get a rectangular prism which is open at the top, like this. So let's say that those are x, so all of them are x by x. So when we fold up, the height of this box will be x, the length would be 40, but we've got an x take away over there, an x away from there, so that would be 40 minus 2x. And the width, in the same sort of way, is going to be that bit, which is going to be 25 minus 2x. So we can see that the volume is going to be x, 40 minus 2x, 25 minus 2x. So that's x, and let's expand out. So we want 40 times 25 to start with. So that's 1,000. Then what are we getting? We're going to get minus 80 x's, minus 50 x's. So that's minus 130 x's. Let's just check that. So 50 and 80, yep. And then we're going to have plus 4x squared. So the volume is going to be 1000x, take away 130x squared, plus 4x cubed. Now we want to maximize that. So let's do dv dx. So that's going to give me 1000, take away 260x plus 12x squared. And we want dv dx to be equal to 0. And that means that 12x squared take away 260x plus 1000 is equal to 0. Now I think everything there divides by 4. So what's 260 divided by 4? 65. So we're going to get 3x squared, take away 65x's, and if we divide by 4, that one's 250 equals 0. Now I'm not going to spot factors for that easily, so what I'm going to do is use the quadratic formula. So x is going to be 65 plus or minus the square root of 65 squared, take away 4 times 3 times 250, all over 2 times a, which is 6. So a bit under the square root, 65 squared, take away 12 times 250. It's 1225, so that's 65 plus or minus the square root of 1225 over 6. So what is the square root of that last answer? 35. 65 plus or minus 35 over 6. So 65 add 35, that's 100. So 100 divided by 6 is 50 over 3, which is 16 2/3. Or, if we do the minus, that's going to be 30 over 6, which is 5. Now, actually, this one here is not possible, because if we go back to the original thing, it's only 25 wide, so you can't cut 2 16 2/3 out of that. So it has to be the 5 that's the correct answer. So we're going to cut out 5 by 5 squares.